Hello, today we're going to give you an introduction to Midtronic's MDX640, a general purpose professional level tool for multiple applications including automotive, motorcycle, marine, and even truck batteries can be tested with this product. When you first hook up the tester to the battery, it comes up and gives you the measured battery voltage. To proceed, you simply press enter. Now it is an automotive battery. Again, you've got the motorcycle, marine, lawn and garden, and Group 31 batteries are all shown in there with individual algorithms for those appropriate values. But we're automotive, we are a regular flooded battery. There are also profiles for AGM flat plate batteries and AGM spiral, which are typical for like the Optima batteries that you may see and several others that are in the marketplace today. So we hit enter. It is rated in CCAs. Enter one more time. And this one happens to be rated at 520 CCAs. All we have to do is hit enter. That initiates the test. In less than 6 seconds, we wind up with a decision. Battery test is good. We have the measured voltage, 12.78 at the time of test, measured 518 CCAs and a 520 CCA rating. That's all there is to it. If this vehicle were in for an oil change or other common service, this is a quick, easy way to help protect your customer in the case that there could have been a failed battery that you want to catch before you put the vehicle back out on the street. Simple, safe, fast, easy, and accurate for multiple applications. This is the best way to help make money in your shop and protect your customers with the right decision every time.